Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm doing the Apple App Store icon with animation. As usually I'm using CodePen, and in my HTML file I don't have loads, whereas in the CSS file I have predefined my colors, and as always I'm going to comment my red border. Whereas for background I'm using this box color, which is linear colored, that I found in a site that I can link in the description below. This site has many beautiful gradient colors. So now I'm going to start writing in my HTML file all my classes. You will notice that I don't have a lot of classes. So first I have the circle, and then I have a horizontal line, left, middle, right, then for the pencil, top, middle and bottom, and last but not least for the brush, again I have the top, middle, bottom and bottom circle, and that's it. That's all the classes that I'm going to use. Now in the CSS file I'm going to start with a circle. For the circle I want a border radius 50%, and the background will be actually none. Now the animation will be circle rotate for 3 seconds and 2 times. The horizontal line left is being made with this clippy tool that I will also leave in the description box, and I'm using just the parallelogram. Now if you don't know what is the clippy tool, it's a tool that helps you make some shapes that it's quite easier to do it with the clippy tool rather than with CSS. The animation here is called line, and it's again, sorry, it's not line, the above was line, for 3 seconds and 2 times. I'm going to change a little the parallelogram, and of course adjust the properties. Maybe I could do a separate video for the clippy tool to show you how to use it, because it's very easy and very useful if you know how to use it. Now for the pencil and the brush, you have to be very careful with the rotate, with the transform rotate property. At the beginning I couldn't find exactly the rotation that I wanted. Now you see here that I'm using -50 degrees, but in the beginning I wasn't sure what is the correct rotation. So you maybe can experiment a little bit with yourself and find what works best for you. Now for the pencil top I'm going to use the border top and bottom right radius for 45%, sorry, and the bottom will be this triangle. Here the rotation is 21 degrees, and no, I didn't know that from the beginning. I just experimented a little and then I saw that 21 is the correct one. At least for me, I think it looks good. Now for the brush, the animation here will be brush bottom, and it will be 3 seconds and maybe 1 or 2 times. Adjust the other properties, and once again be very careful with the transform rotate. If you do the one maybe for the pencil, maybe the brush will be better, will be easier. Now the brush middle is easy, and the brush bottom will have a weird shape. I couldn't make it better, but I think that I'm happy with the result for this. Again, I'm using the border top and bottom right radius. Now as for the animation, I'm going to have it only for 0, 50 and 100%, and it will be transform rotate from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. Here you see me writing 430 because it's okay. Now I did it correct. Okay. And now for the pencil top, and for the lines 30, 60, And final for the circle rotation. Here I'm going also to change the color. I wanted to make it a light blue one. And the scale will be 1.1, whereas the border radius will be 20%. The rotation, of course, is 30-60 degrees, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked it.